Hi, my name's Stevie. I'm going to be showing you a couple of tips and tricks today on Serato. Some real basic stuff, how to set up quickly, how not to stuff around when you're at the club and stuff like that, how to play on one deck, and a couple of other bits and pieces. So let's get started. First of all, my trusty Serato keyboard cover. We can't show you a video of this. I absolutely love this thing. I've been using it for years. It just helps, especially in a dark, dingy nightclub as well. So I'm going to put that on my keyboard. I've already plugged both of my USBs into the laptop. So I use one deck like I was saying before. If you use two decks, you can use a third USB or use a hub, etc. So USB 1, back of the CDJ. USB 2 into our DJM850. Serato Club Kit works on a bunch of various mixers. You can use 850 and above. Most of the 850s and above work. You can use Allen & Heath. There's a bunch of different companies which do support it now. Just have a look on Serato's website and they'll tell you what is compatible. So we plug in here, switch my channels. I like to use channels 2 and 3. I switch them over to USB. If you are on a 900, you just flick it to USB. If you're on a 900 SRT, just change it to channel A or channel B. Whatever you like using. So if you like using channel 1 and 2, you can do it on channel 1 and 2 as well. So it's totally up to you how you want to play, what you're comfortable with at home before you do head out to a venue. So now that we've got that set up, you can see that a setting utility has popped up on screen. I've pre-installed this already. You do get this from the manufacturer's website for Club Kit enabled mixers. So mine's already set up. It's very easy to install. It's pretty self-explanatory. So now you can see both my decks have popped up, side 1 over here and side 2 over here. So let's load a song. You can either load by drag and dropping, which is an easy way, or just pressing shift and left and right, depending on which side you want to load up. So let's start off this side 2, which is the side I like playing on. So once I've plugged in the mixer, it's now time to link the CDJ as well. So you can see here, you go to link, control mode will come up. You want to turn your selecting knob down to control, you hit enter, push to connect again, select the deck. Obviously you can have up to 4 decks if that's how you want to use Serato. I use 1, so I'm going to select side 2. Automatically all my tracks that are in my Serato playlist have now come up in here as well. I don't use this to select tracks, I only use my trackpad on my laptop. So let's load a track into side 2. Go with a ransom. So I loaded that by pressing shift and right, or you can just grab the track and drop it in like that. Press play. Done.